beautiful blue Earth suddenly started sneezing. These were massive cosmic bursts that lifted oceans from the surface and blasted them outward like giant floating spheres. Earth's neighbors began to tremble. Dancing in space, AumSum noticed the chaos being caused by Earth's sneezing. As AumSum moved closer to investigate, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he could now control water at a cosmic scale. Without wasting time, AumSum stretched his arms forward and began controlling the floating water spheres. But the sneezing had not stopped yet. Earth released another powerful burst, sending even more water into space. AumSum began guiding all the floating water back toward Earth. The oceans settled into place once again, covering the planet with its familiar blue beauty. At the same time, Earth's sneezing gradually stopped, and calmness returned. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. The sun suddenly started crying. Glowing streams of energy flowed down from its surface. As the sun continued crying, its glow began to fade. Soon the entire solar system was getting engulfed by darkness. Skateboarding through space, AumSum observed the darkness spreading. As AumSum moved closer to investigate, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he could now restore brightness wherever darkness was spreading. Without wasting time, AumSum moved toward the sun. The sun was still crying, and its glow was further fading. AumSum moved closer and spread his glowing energy around the sun. The sun's brightness slowly started increasing, but the sun started crying louder, and its glow began to fade rapidly now. AumSum focused hard, and with a single jolt of energy, restored the sun back to its original brightness. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. The moon suddenly started driving wildly around Earth, zigzagging, speeding up, and looping unpredictably. As the moon raced around Earth, its powerful pull began tugging the oceans in all directions. Huge tidal waves rose across the planet. Eating burgers in space, AumSum noticed the chaos being caused by the moon. As AumSum started thinking about a solution, a cosmic laser suddenly hit him. Miraculously, AumSum could now generate ropes and tie any object with them. AumSum acted immediately. He extended his glowing ropes toward the speeding moon. The ropes moved swiftly, cutting through space with precision. As the moon sped past, AumSum carefully timed his movement and wrapped the ropes around it. Once, twice, and then multiple loops, forming a secure yet gentle hold. Slowly, the moon's speed began to reduce. Its wild driving weakened, and its motion started to calm. The Earth cheered loudly for its hero, AumSum. The beautiful blue planet Earth suddenly trembled, cracked, and in a single powerful burst exploded into thousands of glowing pieces. The nearby planets froze in fear. Even the sun seemed utterly shocked as the balance of the solar system was disturbed. Floating gently among the stars, AumSum noticed the chaos unfolding before him. As AumSum moved closer to investigate, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he had gained magnetic-like power to attract and fuse broken pieces together. Without wasting a single moment, AumSum stretched out his glowing hands toward the drifting fragments. Small rocks and dust began moving first, slowly changing direction and drifting back toward him. Then larger chunks of land followed. Mountains, rivers, and vast pieces of Earth's crust started responding to his powerful pull. Piece by piece, he began rebuilding Earth. Earth was finally reborn. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. Far out in the vast solar system, Saturn and Jupiter slowly drifted closer and closer to each other. Then the collision happened. the two planets merged into one enormous spinning monster of a planet. The monster planet spun faster and faster. Its powerful gravity began pulling nearby planets. The solar system had lost its balance. Floating far away in space, AumSum noticed the chaos and drifted closer. Just then, a powerful cosmic energy rushed through AumSum's body. AumSum's body began glowing brightly, and suddenly AumSum split into two identical glowing versions of himself. The two AumSums immediately flew toward the spinning monster from opposite sides. The cosmic power flowing through their bodies began pulling the planets in opposite directions. The monster planet trembled. The two AumSums pulled harder. With one final burst of cosmic strength, the two AumSums pulled the planets fully apart. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero AumSum. The giant planet Jupiter began to shake violently. Within moments, a blinding flash spread across space, and Jupiter exploded into thousands of smaller glowing planets. Each of these mini-Jupiters began pulling the neighbors, Mars and Saturn, strongly towards themselves. Floating nearby, AumSum noticed the sudden chaos. As AumSum moved closer to investigate, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he could now merge celestial bodies at will. But hundreds of mini-Jupiters were floating in every direction. Without wasting a moment, AumSum quickly sprang into action. He stretched his glowing hands across space, catching mini-Jupiters one by one. Some were pulling strongly on Mars, while some were pulling Saturn in dangerous directions. Then, using his merging power, he forcefully guided all the mini-Jupiters towards each other. A huge merging explosion took place. Jupiter was finally reborn. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero AumSum. The Earth suddenly grew extremely long, gigantic hands. Within moments, Earth began clapping with tremendous force, sending powerful shockwaves across the solar system. The waves started shaking the planets. At that very moment, AumSum observed the growing chaos from deep space. As AumSum moved closer to investigate, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he could now absorb the strongest shock waves. AumSum quickly moved toward Earth. As the giant hands prepared for another massive clap, he positioned himself right in front of them. The moment the hands came together, AumSum absorbed the powerful shock wave. Earth was shocked. Each time the Earth's hands came together, he shifted positions, absorbing every shockwave one by one. AumSum then focused and sent a powerful absorbed shockwave back towards Earth. Earth's gigantic hands trembled and eventually went back to their original size. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero AumSum.